all the different health authorities that we have, and in this one room, being able to look at the data at the same time?
Is it possible? Absolutely. Should we be doing it? Absolutely. And are we doing it? No, we're not. Because we do have these silos in our healthcare system. We know that the ministry is driving a big digital health strategy. But if we wait and we continue to wait for these big silver bullets, they will come, but in a very long time. So I look and say, how can we be agile? What can we do now within the environment that we have? So yes, we should be doing it. Are we doing it today? Not yet. But we definitely need to move in that direction.
Okay, love the cool hoodies and the cool name of the team and the great young kids you have there. Good job, guys. We talked about democratization of data, and I certainly see that in your demonstration of the VR. What about on the machine learning side? What are the tools that are out there already that enable us to use machine learning? Tell me what your tool set is right now that you're using to do some of these big things.
So I'm going to hand over to Casper, who's going to hopefully blow your brains. We have challenges in healthcare. The challenge is that we've only just got access to Microsoft Azure and cloud computing because of the way the data transfer is happening in and out of Canada. Privacy is a big issue. So we've started to overcome some of these challenges, and what I'm really looking forward to now is to start leveraging this cloud computing power in Azure to really start driving some of Casper and my team's algorithms that we can no longer compute locally. So Casper, do you want to add anything to that?
Basically scaling up in the cloud on the servers and the machines, right? And what are some of the products apart from or apart from Azure itself that are?
What are some of the internal products that we've developed?
Yeah.
Oh, I can rattle those off. I mean, one of the things I asked for Casper, for me, it's about how do we predict? So we were in this PDF state where people are saying, can I get this information? And we're sending out in Excel spreadsheets and the PDFs. For me, I want to leapfrog. I want to say, how do we predict what's happening? And so we saw that emergency room. And so every day I go to work and we look at that emergency room and it's like, oh my God, it's red. Well, we knew it was going to be red. We knew it was going to be red. And so Casper and the team have built an ED predictor tool. So I can tell you this time next week how many people are going to be waiting in the emergency room and what that profile of those patients look like. Now we need to operationalize it. That's an example. Long length of stay. So when you arrive in a hospital, we can run analytics on you as an individual, and we can predict how long you're going to be in the hospital. So now we're going to turn that into action. And so we have multiple tools that we've started to build. We built the money health. So we can start looking at the patient case mix, the acuity, and the resources that we have. So how do we apply ML/AI to start optimizing our team position and scheduling? So those are tools that we can use. So I mean, we actually have a wall of done in Casper's office, and we probably have like 12 advanced analytics, machine learning, and AI tool sets. The challenge that we have in healthcare is how do you take that to the front lines and turn it into action? And that is now my endeavor for the next year, where we really need to focus, and we need to support that frontline staff in moving from paper-based systems into action-based data and analytics.
I have a question here. More about the delivery method. What do you feel VR is doing better compared to, let's say, like if you just have a web-based Tableau report that people can access? Is it just like a better affordability and like compared to having a laptop version of this same report?
I think the first thing is it's going to attract the millennials, because I'm going to call it gamification in healthcare, right? Why do you need to go work for Facebook and Amazon? I think the next thing is that yes, you can use Tableau, and we've used Tableau, we've used Power BI. I still think that Tableau and Power BI is very linear. It allows you to do insights, it allows you to look at predictive, but what it doesn't allow you to do is to be interconnected in a way that you can make real-time decisions in a collaborative environment. And so they have that capability, but it's not as digitally friendly as VR.